All right, folks, finna go with the new faucet. No plumbing putty needed, okay? It comes with this seated on here. We're gonna have these two little nuts that we just screw on the bottom to hold it in place. Then we're gonna reconnect our line sets, okay? All right, here we go, real time, folks. Look up, tell me what you think. Go ahead, drop that in, reach up and over. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yes, Sam. And let them naturally slide in. Good. Straight. This stuff ain't gonna go as smooth as folks be making it look like it's gonna go. So I want you to see real time. Okay? Alright. You got a hand, my arm's long so I can reach all the way underneath there and get them started. Make sure you start them straight now. Start them straight there, finish straight. Okay? There you go. Alright, get a little snug. Then the other one, you ain't even got to hold it up top no more. All you got to focus on is getting it straightened. That ain't straight. There you go. That should be straight. It'll do the work for you. Okay. Hope my head didn't cover that up. Okay. Water line still on. Go ahead and hook one up. There you go. Get it lined up. Okay. Remember, we took them off in this direction. We flip that head over. Put it right along with it. Plumber's tool. Plumber's paradise. Okay? And you twist it. Twist it. Most you could ever get up there is your hand, and that's just a position that, but if you can't, you'll be able to work with it. Alright, that's snug. Grab this one, do the same thing. I'm not making it look easy, folks. It's just easy. Okay? Get it on up there, hook it. Make sure it hook. And twist it. And twist it. Twist it. I'm just doing this so I can make sure it get on the nut. Alright, cool. Take that on off of there. Show you what I'm twisting with at the bottom. This piece here, see? And there's your leverage. We good. Now, cut that off. Turn the water on. No drips around either one of those. Did good, folks. Go up top. See what we got. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, why didn't we test the water? We don't have a pop-up assembly in there. It's gonna spill right out, okay? So now we're gonna add the pop-up assembly. Doing good so far, folks. Keep doing what you're doing. All right. Which way does this go? That's what they want to know. All right, this part should be to seal it off. So you take that, reach around there, and it just flush in place. Y'all want to see that? See? It's in there. It's just in place. All right. Now, you take your ball. There it is. gotta have a pop-up to be able to put it on there, okay? Once you get your pop-up, sink pop-up, okay? Then you go ahead, tighten this on there. Now this may have one already built in, hang on. All right, folks, guess what? It was missing out of the box. We don't have the sink pop-up. So, another lesson to be learned, guys, if you take something out of one of the boxes of supplies, write on the box what you took out. That way we won't have to waste this time and make this mistake. I won't have enough video time to be able to show y'all all of that, but I'll show you the end result. So I'll show you that on another episode. Yeah. But that's what we got. Okay, it's good. Everything is on. We're all good.